Hey guys, XS808 here, and today we are playing Don't Push the Button. Now this video is going to be all about don't push the button. Nothing else. Well, maybe. I don't know. What? Oh, come on. I love this thing. Why must this happen? Why? I don't like this game anymore. I don't like this game. Alright, so probably halfway in we'll change games. Most likely. Why? I don't like being yellow white. Can you just end this game already? I just want to play. That's the only thing I came here for. I just wanted to play. Oh yeah, I can play now. Coin. Avoid? Oh no, that's scary. How do we know where the rockets are coming? Oh, red dots, I think. Oh, the red dots, yeah. Oh no, they're coming from this area. Nah, legit. Oh no, they're coming from all sides. Wait a minute. How am I supposed to know how to dodge that crap? Alright, I'm gonna keep pretending like I'm in the game. Like, where's my shadow? I'm goated at this game. Like, I never die. Literally, I've only died once in this game. Why'd you summon bricks on me? That's not nice. I'm gonna push you up. Oh, come on. I wanted the torture. Oh, I bet. I won. Oh, I bet. Come on. I want to push the button. Let me push it. Let me push the button. Get to the other slide. I swear, if one of these dudes can fly. Hey! Oh, coins. I'm just gonna collect the coins. Because I know if I go over there, I'm just gonna die. I'm just gonna die if I go over there. Oh, nobody's made it? Except for that dude. That dude made it. Yeah, nobody cares. Oh, come on. Now it ends. Got it. Watch out for raining bombs. Oh, I hate this game. Oh, whoa. Chill. Man, chill out. Hey, you blew up my statue. That's not nice. Why'd you blow up my... Oh no, that's not good. Oh no, dude, I'm out. No, I'm out. I am unlucky. Why? But I won. Got him. Help Santa find his presents. Ooh, I don't know where the presents are. Are they in here? Oh, they're in here. I found one. Helpers. Hey, I don't like that game. Put out the fire. Where's the fire? I don't know where the fire is. Oh, my fire is over here. Oh no, that ain't good. How do I use this though? Right. Oh, flip. I was climbing up that one. Come on. Get your fat butt up there. I'm gonna put out a fire. Come on, man. I'm a firefighter. FBI, open up. Did I get trapped? What? Oh no. red one. I don't know who's red and who's... No. I don't like this game. Slaughter is good. I'm kidding. That is not good for you. Come here. Yes! I am just good like that. Watch out for the mummy. Hey. I don't like this game. Oh. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm still playing. Can I just go inside the pyramid? Can I just go inside? Oh, is that an Illuminati? Hang on, I'm gonna drop right on this pyramid. When I die, I'm gonna drop right on this pyramid. Yes. Okay, who? What? What happened? What? Press it, don't fall off. Oh, I'm goated at these. Oh, we're going this way? I bet. Stop, actually though. Bruh, somebody died for Legos. No, somebody loves Legos too much in that. Alright, I'm goated at this, so I'm most likely gonna win. Most likely. I pushed the button, I think. Oh, I can see the girl's shadow. She's up there somewhere. She's up in heaven. That's sad. Run. Oh, bro, it's hard to see. It's literally so hard to see. Am I still alive? Yes! Time to jump off. Man, I want to jump off though. That was actually... Wait, really? Yes! Can I just like ditch? Cause I wanna go like out to get to the button island. Can I get into the button island? Bro, did somebody get to the button? Oh, it TP'd us here. Oh. Oh crap, what happened? Oh, reach the end. Bro, these ones suck. I literally hate these. No! That's not nice. You don't do that to a nice child like me. What, somebody beat this? Wait a minute, that's weird. How did she beat that? Joey is Bindi. Wait a minute. If y'all don't know who Bindi is, it's a character from a game. What did I touch? I bet. Got him. What am I supposed to do? Stay clear of the moving platforms. I don't know. Oh, so it gives you a little bit of a warning. Whoa. Okay, well that's scary. That is scary. Alright, that one. Oh, flip. That one's gonna go. That one's gotta go. Oh, wait. They respawn? Wow. Alright, so they respawn. What? Nope, somebody died. No! Come on! I don't like this game. Yes. I want to press it. Come on. Get on to the color. Next color. Oh, red. Okay, well, I hate these games. What? Excuse me? Oh, there's two types of red. Dark red and light. Ah! I didn't know that. Two blacks? Can I? Wait. Can I like sneakily? Wait, I can. Bro, I want to do it. No. Can I? Can I do? I want to do it. No. I don't think I can. I can try though. No, you can't. You can't. You actually can't. That's savage. You ruined my hopes and dreams. Bad weather. Alright, are you serious right now? How am I supposed to know where the lightning strike's gonna be? Oh, I know a trick. You just go around in a circle. No. You just go around in a circle and eventually it'll hit you, but it's more likely to not. You just gotta go in a circle around the button. Yeah, or you can stay near the button. Oh wait, you can you actually have to like play this? Are you kidding? But look at all the Legos. That's sad. Can I just press the dang button?
You getting the balance right?
Oh, I think I got it. So what am I supposed to do? Oh wait, she has a sword. Oh. What? She was like 5 feet within. I'm gonna freak her out. Like so badly. Hang on. What? Hey! That's not cool. You don't do that to me. Repair the broken windows. X repair. Oh, I need to do it like that. Can't let this dang place fill up.
Turn the fan on.
Oh crap. Who's that? Wait a minute. Who is that? Who's that? Bro, what? Who's that? I've been in here so many times. I tried. I literally tried. But who is that? Actually though. Who is that guy? Whoa, literally rewind the footage. There is a guy, like in here somewhere. Bro, that is freaky. That is... Nah, both hands. Just except instead of that, it spikes. Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now? Oh my god, that stupid button. Son of a blast, got stupid button. I'll stay at the top for the longest time. Win. Stay at the top for the longest win. Whoa. Hey. That's not nice. Alright, I'm gonna send somebody to Jesus right now. Hey! Stop sending me to Jesus! I did nothing to you! Bro! I did nothing to those people. I'm sorry. Bro! I said I'm sorry! What the... What? Excuse me? I don't think you were meant to die. I don't think I was meant to die. Bruh! You serious? What did I do? Please get me up here. Boom. Hey, I said I was sorry. I said I was sorry. I said. I'm gonna boost you. I'm gonna boost you. I like this game. Oh, button. I think I got it. Nope, somebody else did. Giant volcano. Hey! Hey! Why are the things bouncing? What? Oh my god. This game. This game has aimbot. I swear. This game is aiming. This stupid game is aiming for me, bro. You kidding me? What? Oh, you son of a blast off. Whoa. Oh, that was so close. So, escape the burning building? What? Where's the escape? Oh, yeah, the escape's over here. I forgot. Get your filthy butt down. Bro, I literally wish I had super speed right now. But like, there's a troll at the end of this. It says like something like, this isn't the exit, go back. And then there's like another platform area that you have to go to. And it literally is so annoying because you never escape it. And it's just annoying. You go this way, you dummy. Go. I made it. Barely. I barely made that, bro. Boing. Double bounce. Oh, I see a coin. I want that coin. I want my coin. I want my coin. Give me my coin. Boing. I got it. I got my coin. Now I need the button. Where's the button? The button's like right here. Oh, I was literally so close. I think I got it. I am small. I am small now. I am a little baby. Bro, literally I am an ant. I am an ant right now. An ant. Get to the end. Whoa! What you doing though? Oh, bet. Oh, I bet. Now I'm big. What? Is there like a platform? Oh, you have to memorize the platform. Go. I saw it. It's like right over here. I saw it. It's like this and this. No, I messed up. Oh crap. I forgot. Alright. Over there. What? It said over there. Let me push this dang button. Hey! Alright, so I'm gonna have to end this video soon because we reached the end. I'm going for blue. Blue's never right. Oh, I'm just getting lucky. What is this? Ah, crap. Whip. Alright, I didn't press the button. Thank God I'm not pressing anything. Door is correct. Reach the end. How am I supposed to know which door is correct, man? Oh, I saw it. What? You can't do that. You can't do that to me, man. Why you do this to my heart, you little beep? Why you do this to me, man? Alright, I'm just like goated right now. I'm just like, you know. What? I got a coin? Are you kidding me? I literally why. There's a big fat tidal wave. Oh! Well, that's not that nice. Well, I went like, meow. Money! Give me money! I like the money! Give me, I like money. I want the money. Can I have the money? Who's giving me the money though? Who's giving me the money? Oh, quack. Oh, I gotta be like this? I gotta do this? No, shit, I gotta do this. This is like easy if you ask me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Go back. Oh, that was slow. That was too slow. I gotta slide this. Go. Ah, this thing's going fast. This thing's going fast. Oh, I won. I won. I won. I won. I won. Oh. What? Get there. Go now. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. You safe, right? Alright, this is getting hard. And the video is gonna end in like 5 seconds. I won. Alright, I'm just gonna stay here for the rest of the time. Alright, I'm gonna have 2 more rounds and then it's time. Yes sir, Baltic. Yes! Why is this dang thing still going? Now let's see. He's running for the home run. He's going. He's going. Past third. He's going home. He got out. He was out. Watch out for what? Oh! Survive. Gotcha. I'm not so sure about this. Oh no. Alright, so this is gonna be the last straw. Like if I'm gonna have to like end the video after like what happened? What? Yes. Bro, why are we walking so slow? Like we're cool. Like we're Joe cool. Like this is the last one, and then we're done. Oh great, not this. Not this. Go. Alright, there we go. He's coming. Almost done. Go. Little legs. Yes! Go. Sonny. Oh, you were lucky. You were so lucky. Wait, what's this dude's name? He's just lucky. I'm gonna give him a shout out. What's this dude's name? What is your name? What is your name, kind sir? What is his name? Oh, it's not a he, it's a she. Sophia 092686 Billy 7613. Whoever you are the luckiest man alive right now. There's no doubt. Hang on, I wanna die. Alright, well, we're gonna have to end our adventure like almost. Oh great. I regret that. I regret doing that. Oh no, I didn't mean it personally. I didn't mean it personally. I said I didn't mean it personally, bro. Can you take a joke? Can you take a dang joke, man? Can you take a joke? Bro, can't take a joke. I was like 5 seconds away. No, I'm done. No. Wait, this is my favorite. Hang on, sorry. This is my favorite. I cannot. Mine to find the diamond. Oh wait, I have to click X. Never dig straight down. That's only in Minecraft though. That's only in Minecraft. X. Stealing my stuff. Hang on, I want to mine this. Where is the diamond? It's only in here somewhere. Alright, I wonder where it is. I wonder if we don't find it. Wait, the roof! Oh well. My screen time's almost up, so... Wait, really? What? Found a diamond? Wait, what? No, I'm done. Well, I guess... Hey, I didn't put that in. I put leave. Well, that's it for today. Hang on, what's this? Don't press the button. 1, 2, 4, 1. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, blah, blah. But, yeah, that's it for today. I guess I'll be seeing y'all next time. Peace out, gamers.